Toys R Us kids. So come on and join us. Jeffrey! Prices are low. And the prices are hard to beat. Come with me to a place you'll be glad that you did.
I'm making my list, Jeffrey.
And on it, the Snuggly Wuzzles. Each is a combination of two cuddly animals. Wuzzles just $16.97 each. New posable Wuzzles only $3.97 each at Toys R Us. All from Hasbro.
Neat.
And the Wuzzles Color Form Play Set just $6.48. We're Wuzzles headquarters.
$2, please, for the Toys R Us kid. If I could only have it. There'd be so much I could do. Go shopping for Mom, mail letters for Dad. A paper route would be so cool. I follow every traffic law. And then a big race. I bet it could win. Oh wow, I'll learn to ride it. Soon as Mom and Dad show me how.
Toys R Us. You'll never outgrow us.
Moms and dads, are you looking for a bicycle, tricycle, football?
Looking for a model kit, Chester?